her go. 2 flat tires in the rear, and she's just goosing it all the way. She's going to make a hit. There she is. She made a hit. 38 made a nice hit on the 22. Zero's coming along. That's a nice shot on the 38. Claire's got her foot down in the metal. You can hear that rev limiter on that van just to go. 327's lining up his shot. He's got a nice shot on Claire. Oh, no, he turned it away. Oh, here comes 614. 9 right on 614. Wow, look at all these hitting.
Just saw something out of the engine.
Can we get the 20 to the moment? Those wheels just spinning with no rubber on them.
Pretty much wait for them all to die.
Yeah.
We still have a few cars still moving around here.
Look at those tires.
327 George Dover. 614 we have yellow. Number 9 Randy Bourgeois. 22.
Yeah, go.
She's trying. Just unfortunately there's no traction when you're in the dirt with rims.
Come on.
Go.
So we have 3 moving vehicles. Let's see who's gonna do it. Number 9 looks like it's kind of steaming up there. All right, 327 on the 9.
Come on.
614, yo. You can see she's struggling. Nice shot, George Dover on 614, yo. Looks like we're down to our 2 final competitors. Who's rooting on for 327, George Dover? Who is rooting on for 614, Yo Cusano?
Yeah.
Let's see how well they do.
Go.
It is official. Number 9 is now out, taking 3rd place. So it's down to 1 and 2 between these two. 327, George Dover. 614, Yo Cusano.
Look at those wheels.
Let's see how big of a hit they can make. They're watching. It's all about strategy. Getting the right shot in.
You have to make it.
Oh, she's trying to block them in between cars.
You have to make it.
You think that's going to work? No, it doesn't look like it.
Yeah.
Oh,